Sagutin mo ang tanong ko, saan ka nag-aral?
Okay.
Saan ka nag-aral? Putang ina mo ka. Kinakantot ka ba ni Pinoy?
Your question.
Saan ka nag-aral? Putang ina mo, Lea Navarro.
Oh, please.
Saan ka nag-aral? Para matuto naman ako ng kainglisan mo. Paano ka mag-aral dyan? Para matuto ako ng kagalang-galang na pananalita. Turuan mo ako.
You know what that means? You are a sad excuse.
Ikaw putang ina mo, Lea Navarro ka. Lawlaw na suso mo, gago. Turuan mo ako. Paano mag-aral dyan sa pinag-aralan mo?
Oh, please, why are you so mad?
Uba, gago. Mas ba't ang pagmumukha nyo?
I'm so glad that I get you mad. I'm so happy.
Gago, pasensya na, hindi ako marunong mag-English sa lingwaheng Tagalog ang alam ko kasi Pilipino ako eh.
I'm so happy that I get you
happy?
mad because
Bakit?
you deserve to be.
O kulang ka sa ano, sa romansa.
That I affect you so much.
Ooh!
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Ang alam ko kasing English. Yes! Oh my God! Oh yeah!
Why are you so shrill?
Wow!
You know the
Nice!
meaning of the
Oh,
word?
very,
Can you
very
spell it?
nice!
I doubt if you can even spell it.
Oh, nice,
You know,
huh?
you can't even spell. And I'm sure you can't even string a complete sentence in
Wow, ang
English.
galing, ang galing, ang galing! Palakpakan mo nga!
Because I am really good since I'm better than you.
Wow, very nice! Very, very, very nice!
Like that.
Oh, really?
It really tells you just how stupid you look.
Alam mo, Lea Navarro, napabilib mo ako.
And you should learn how to sound a little more educated when you insult people.
Lea, tinatanong kita kung ikaw ba'y kinakantot ka ba ni Marojas?
Yan ang script mo. Sige, balik ka lang sa script mo kasi hindi ka marunong sumagot.
Hindi nga ako nag-aral. Turuan mo ako. Ano pang tamang sagot?
Okay, maybe what you should do is you should cut the nails of your little toe so that you can find your brains inside.
Di, ikaw nang magaling, ikaw nang matalino, ikaw na may pinag-aralan.
Absolutely. I'm so much better than you.
Okay? Kasi kaming mga mahihirap, wala kaming pinag-aralan, wala kaming naabot, wala kaming narating.
I'm so much smarter than you. And thank you for taking the time to call. Because I swear,
Napakagaling.
it makes me so happy. I have finally arrived.
O yung nga pala, uy, Ate Lea, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Sinudyopa mo ba si Jim Paredes?
Please, you don't have the right to even ask me anything.
Ang tanong ko, sagutin mo. Putang ina, katadyakan ko bunbunan mo, suso mong lawlaw eh.
But
Lilamasin ko
you're the
yan.
one who deserves all the insults because you're just a small excuse for a human being who gets paid to call people.
Oh, nice.
And make sure that they pay you well, huh? Because, this is taking so much of your time.
Wow, ang galing!
Important.
Napakahusay!
Right?
Napakahusay pala talaga ni Miss Lea Navarro. Ay, pwede ba ako magpa-autograph sa'yo?
And how about you? You're not...
Ma'am, kasi ako, ma'am, hindi ako nag-aral eh. Hanggang kinder lang naabot ko.
You're such a failure.
Hanggang kinder lang ako.
I'm sure your mother told you that. Oh, Ted,
Wow.
you're such a failure. You
Naku
will
po.
amount to nothing in this life. You're not famous like me.
Wow,
I am
napakagaling.
famous because who are you,
Ma'am,
really? Are you
me?
a nobody?
I'm Ninyo!
You are!
Ma'am, pwede mama magtagalog ka para magkaintindihan tayo. Kasi ma'am, ako'y nabobobo ako, hindi ako marunong mag-wikang English. Hindi ko alam yung mga lingwaheng ganyan, mahina ako dyan.
Oh, well, hello.
Yes!
Yan.
Yung hello, naintindihan ko yan, ma'am. Ang ibig sabihin ng hello sa wikang Tagalog, putang ina mo.
And, go ahead and keep saying that. Because, that just means that you're affected by what I'm saying.
Woo! Come on! Mas napakagaling!
Oh, yes, I am.
Wow.
Absolutely. I am so talented and I'm beautiful.
Wow.
And I'm so much better looking than you because I'm sure you are really a poor excuse for a human being.
Wow! Napakagaling!
Yes.
Navarro! Ma'am Lea, pwede ka ba kumanta? Bigyan mo nga ako ng isang awit.
To understand what I'm saying in English.
Yeah, I have to request one song please, Miss Leia Navarro.
Don't even, don't even. That is so, oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh my, what is
God?
God?
Oh, yes. It's
Who
called
is God?
speak. That's what it is.
Where is God?
You can't beat me at your own game. Okay?
Ma'am Leia,
You
baka pwede
think
naman
you
po
can
ako
piss me
mag-request kasi
off.
ako po ay dakila
You
mong
think you can piss me
tagapakinig,
off
dakila mo
or
akong
say
tagahanga.
Actually, I'm
Alam mo naman,
very,
Ma'am
very
Leia, kami
happy
mga
with you
tagahanga
all
mo, mga walang
because
pinag-aralan. Baka
oh,
pwede mo akong
please,
bigyan ng
give me a
isang
break.
awit na umaatikabong,
You know what?
makantang, makadamdamin.
One of these days, you're going to get the
Ma'am
part
Leia,
of your
tinatanong
life.
kita, gusto ko kantahan mo ako ngayong gabi.
Please, you know what? I think you should take your vitriol and your hate somewhere
Tinatanong
else.
kita, Ma'am Leia
And
Navarro,
for something
kantahan mo
wrong,
ako.
maybe
Bullshit.
you should stuff yourself full of that horrible food that they
Yung
have
si Suso
there.
mo ba, nilalawlaw
Okay?
ba yan ni Marimar?
So, you know,
O ni Jim Paredes? Kayo ba dalawa ni Jim Paredes, nag-iiyutan pa?
oh, please. That's all you can think about because I don't think you have get any sex, do you?
Oh,
You just talk about that. You
Bigyan
don't
mo
get
nga
any
ako.
sex?
yes,
Huh?
I like that.
How sad for you.
No.
I'm so unhappy for you.
Why?
So you don't know anything. You don't get any
Ma'am, teka. Pwede ba, ma'am, mag-Tagalog ka? Hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan kasi ako'y Pilipino, hindi ako foreigner eh.
I'm so sorry that you don't get any. You know, I mean, it's not my fault that you probably are really so ugly that people don't even want to look at you. So, you know, if you don't have, if you don't get to have any sex, what gives you the right to talk about it?
Oy! Ang sabi ko sa'yo, mag-Tagalog ka. Dahil ako'y Pilipino ako, hindi ako foreigner na hilaw. Putang ina naman, mag-Tagalog ka para magkaintindihan tayo eh.
What are you talking about? Stop defending yourself. You're here to be on the attack, right? So, I'm
Oo,
coming to
ma'am,
attack
pasensya,
you.
hindi ako nakakaintindi ng Tagalog eh.
Okay?
Hindi ako nakakaintindi ng English.
Please.
Tagalog, please.
Who cares? Why? Why bother
Tagalog.
with you?
Oh, kinilam. Hanggang nga makaawat ni English.
Ayan.
Tatawag ulit tayo. Baka sumagot pa. Bibigay ko sa inyo ang number niya. Dumugin niyo po ng tawag ha. Tatawag tayo. Sana sumagot. Pumapatol pala. Sila yun. Oh, ayun na sumagot. Ako po. Mabagin. Live na live tayo ha? Naku po! Sure ako may nakapagbigay na ng info sa kanya na nakarating na sa kanya na live tayo. Tatawag more time tayo. Again. Tawag. Nako, binalak na ata ako sa phone. Mukhang binalak na ako sa phone nito. Yun. Madaling salita na i-block tayo sa phone niya. Okay. May mga ballpen na pa kayo? Ang tama ay sa ballpen, papel. Ballpen, papel ha. Globe number po siya. Globe number po siya ha. Globe number. 09 17 898 1957. Nakuha niyo po ba? Uulitin ko po ang cell number ni Miss Leia Navarro. Tandaan niyo po ha, babanggitin kong dahan-dahan. 09 17 898 1957. Nakuha niyo po? Uulitin ko po uli ha, ng dahan-dahan. Ang sabi ni Ronnie, malaki, ayos na yan, sir. Murahin mo, idol, gagayan. Nako mo, mas linda. Uulitin ko po uli ha, ang number ni Leia Navarro Laulaw Suso. 0917-898-1957. Copy. Copy ka, tama. Evan Ilarcosa. Tama yan. Number na yan. Tama. Liambot. Tama. Tama. Nakuha nyo na. Ngayon, tawagan ninyo. Murahin ninyo. Sabihin nyo kung ano ang gustong sabihin nyo sa kanya. Ang balita ko, mukhang paparinig ko sa inyo muna po ha. Yung unang usapan namin. Yung unang conversation namin ni Miss Lea Navarro, ang pakilala ko po sa kanya, Bishop Ted Bacani na naman. Kung anong ginamit ko kay Senator Trillanes, same din po ang ginamit ko kay Lea Navarro. Pakinggan nyo po ang unang conversation. Totally po, 3 po ang cellphone number ni Lea. Ito po ang isang, ang tinawagan ko una, nasagot niya. May 2 pa tayong number niya na hindi ko muna ilalabas. Abangan nyo baka pag ako natuloy na i-block niya ron, doon, ibibigay ko na rin po sa inyo yun. Yung isang unang number. Pakinggan nyo muna yung unang usapan namin ni Lea Navarro.
Good evening.
Good evening. Hello?
Bishop Ted.
I'm sorry, sir. Could you say this again?
Bishop Ted.
Oh, Ted. Yes, I'm Ted. Oh,
Kamusta?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. Yung puki mo ba mabango ba? Kinakantot ka ba ni Piloy o ni Marroas? Lea?
Ah, you are the one.
Kinakantot ka ba? Ang tanong ko, sagutin mo.
No, because you
Yung
know.
puso mo law-law na eh.
When, you know,
I
at
shut
least I
down
have your
the
number,
phone
but
mo.
then I know that you're going to throw this number away and then you will use it,
Bullshit
you use
ka.
a new number.
Puki
But
mo
you know what?
ka na. Babaho
You know what?
puki mo.
You are, one day,
Oh.
karma will catch up with you,
Hindi ako maniniwala sa
and
karma. Gago.
you will die a
Nagpapatak
very,
ka ba kay
very,
Pinoy?
very, very
Kinakain mo
sad
ang puki
death
ng babaho.
because of your hate. And you know what? I'll make sure to tell whoever, I can trace you naman, no? So keep talking.
Ang
Keep
tanong ko,
talking.
kinakantot
You
ka ba
know?
kay Pinoy?
Well,
Kaya ba nakalsulit, pinapakutan mo? Siguro yung mamay mo.
oh my God!
Dahil
You
ganyan
know,
ang bunganga nyo.
you call yourself Bishop Ted.
Ikaw
I
ang
mean,
siyang
you are
ika.
fun.
Alam nyo, bago kayo magpagsinig,
Really?
pag nagawa ng
Oh my
liberal,
God! It's so nice.
ano ba ang nagawa ng
Hear from
liberal
you.
party? Ang
I
tanong ko,
thought, you know, yan ang
Yes.
problema ng mga ignorante, kagaya
ignorante ako,
mo.
ikaw.
Yes,
Mabuti
ikaw.
ka ng taong hindi
Kasi,
nag-aral.
alam mo, yung
May
mga
utak
ginagamit
sa iyo.
yung mga salita, ay alam mo yung Cebuano word na inato, ang mga ang mga walang edukasyon,
Eh, bakit na mo,
ignorante daw. Pero ignorante ka talaga. Saka alam mo,
Hindi ako nagbisaya, Lea.
you know what? You see? Well, that's why, because you're a Marcos supporter.
Lahat pa ng nilukan sa Marcos na. Hindi ba pwedeng,
Because you know, you're the only one who benefited from martial law. Kawawa
ang
naman
ina
yung mga taga Mindanao. Nakaalyado ninyo.
Kawawa. Ano naman yung kalyado? Hindi ba ang lang kami
Naku, baka ikaw pa ang lover ni Imelda Marcos, the woman who is so crazy, whose husband and family stole all our money. Did they give you some of your money? Did they
Mami!
give it to you?
Lahat ng mami!
I hope so. Oh, please, maybe it's inside
Oh,
your
sige na
stomach. You know, maybe you should ask the Marcoses to give you money and pay you for this beautiful call. Thank you so much for calling.
Yung
Because
puki mo,
now I
mababa.
know.
Hindi, mabango
I
ang puki mo.
know
Sinabalang
the
kita.
source of all the hatred is.
Mabango ang puki mo.
From you. Oh, you can say that, but you cannot smell. Because you're so far
Ang tanong
away.
ko,
And
mabango
you're
ang
so
puki mo.
ignorant.
Ang lingwahe ng
You are
pagsusat,
so-
dapat ginagamit
You
ang
are
lingwahe
so
para sa Pilipinas.
paid. You know what? You know, you should earn a real living. You should get a real job. And you should have a life.
Lie.
Okay?
Baka naman
You should
ikaw.
get your own life.
Sa kasinungalingan ng lilihan ninyo.
Oh, please, give me a break. I'm not even a member. You must be a member of the KBL.
Natatawa ako sa'yo.
You know?
Amoy lupa ka na, law-law na puso mo. Mamamatay ka na lang.
Yourself, because you know, to me,
Hindi ka
you
pa
sound like a
makakahindi.
very small, ugly little man who is so sad and so
Oo, ang galing.
sad,
Ano ka mag-aral?
who has no friends, who gets paid to call people like,
ka
please,
nag-aral at makatutok
hello.
mag-aral.
You know what? You can't even
Ang tanong mo,
that
sagutin
question
mo,
because
saan ka
I
nag-aral?
don't think you went to school because of the words
Ang
you
tanong mo,
use.
sagutin
And since
mo.
I'm recording you, I want to make sure that the world will hear about you and hear your beautiful voice.
Saan ka nag-aral?
Okay?
Saan ka nag-aral? Putang ina
You know
mo.
what? I don't have to answer any of your questions because you're the one who called me and you're the one who, oh, please. You are just such a sad human being. You know what?
Para matuto ako
You know what?
Kaya lang
You are
masalita.
such a sad.
Ako.
You know what that means? You are a sad excuse
Putang
for
ina
a
mo,
human
law-law na
being.
puso mo, gago.
That's who you
Ano,
are.
Gago mag-aral dito pinag-aral mo.
Oh, please, why are you so mad?
Why?
Oh my God, why are you so mad? I'm so glad that I get you mad. I'm so happy that I get you angry. You know?
Alam ko, ako eh.
I'm so happy that I get you mad because you deserve to be angry. Because I'm so glad that I affect you so much. God, I'm so important.
Yeah.
Yes. You're so, oh my God, your voice is sounding more. Why are you so shrill? You know the meaning of the word? Can you spell it? I doubt if you can even spell it. You know, you can't even spell. And I'm sure you can't even string a complete sentence in English.
Galing.
Yes, because I am really good since I'm better than you. You know, and really, when you scream like that, you know, it really tells you just how stupid you really
Alam
are.
mo, Leia
And I'm
Navarro.
so happy that you called me. And you should learn how to be a little more educated when you insult people.
Leia, sinasagot kita. Kung kinakamit ka ba ni Maruha?
Balik ka lang sa script mo. Sige, balik ka lang sa script mo kasi hindi ka marunong sumagot.
Hindi
You know, you should use your brain.
Ano pa?
Your brain kasi, maybe what you should do is you should cut the nails of your little toe so that you can find your brains inside. Did you get that?
Ikaw nang
You know, of course I am. Absolutely. I'm so much better than you.
Kasi kami, kaming mga may
I'm so much better than you. And I'm so much smarter than you. And thank you for taking the time to call. Because I swear, it makes me so happy. I have finally arrived.
O yung nga
I
pala.
finally have
Uy,
been
ate
the
Leia,
center of the
itatanong ko sa'yo.
You know.
Kita mo ba si
And
King David?
please, you don't have the right to even ask me anything because you called me just to call me. But you're the one who deserves all the insults because you're just a small excuse for a human being who gets paid to call people. And make sure that they pay you well, huh? Because, this is taking so much of your time. And your time is really important.
Napakahusay!
Right?
Napakahusay pala talaga ni Miss Leia.
Oh, yes, I am.
Ano magpa-autograph?
I am. And how about you? You are not magnifying. You are not at all. You're such a failure. I'm sure your mother told you that. Oh, Ted, you're such a failure. You will amount to nothing in this life. You're not
Tangina,
famous.
pag ito
like
palang
me.
kausap ko,
I
mauubusan ako
am
ng Inglesan
famous.
dito.
Because who are you, really? Are you a nobody?
I'm video!
You are!
Mapili ba
Can't even
para mag-try
can't even tell me like your real name.
Napopopo ako.
Ang alam ko lang lingwahe, yes!
Hello.
Yeah.
That's why you're ignorant.
Yes, Papa!
Uneducated.
Yun lang ang aking lingwahe.
And you have no manners. And oh yeah, go ahead and keep saying that because you know that means that you're affected by what I'm saying. Because what I'm saying about you is not true. Oh yes, I am. Absolutely. I am so talented and I'm beautiful. And I'm so much better looking than you because I'm
Tama,
sure
nahibad po siya sa
you are
akin.
really a poor excuse for a human being.
Wow! Napakadali!
Yes!
Nabago!
Wow!
Ang player, hindi ka pa
So funny.
Bigyan mo nga ako ng
You be able to understand what I'm saying in English.
At the end of the quest, what's your thief? Miss Leia,
No?
Patola ka!
That is so, oh my God. Oh my God. So, what is the word?
Bro, ibibigay ko sa iyo ang number, Andrew,
Oh,
ha?
yes.
Ibibigay ko
Oh,
sa iyo.
That's what it is. You know, you can't beat me at your own game. Okay?
Ma'am Leia,
If you think you can piss me off,
Ako po ay
if you
dakila mo.
think you can piss me off, you are failing. Actually, I'm very, very happy that you called because that means, oh, please give me a break. You know what? One of these days, you're going to get the karma of your life.
Kita gusto ko
You know? Please, you know what?
Wow.
I think you should take your vitriol and your hate somewhere else.
Tanong kita, Ma'am Leia,
And if you are from the
mo ako.
Maybe you should stuff yourself full of that horrible food that they have there.
Gusto mo ba nilalagay pa yan ni Marimar?
So, you know,
O ni Jim Paredes? Kayo ba dalawa ni Jim Paredes nag-iiyutan pa?
oh, please. That's all you can think about because I don't think you have get any sex, do you? Oh, you can talk about that. You don't get any sex?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, sad for you.
No.
I'm so unhappy for you.
Why?
So you don't know anything. You don't get any sex because you keep talking about it. You're so jealous. I'm so jealous.
Naintindihan kasi ako yung Pilipino.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry that you don't get any. You know, I mean, it's not my fault that you probably are really so ugly that people don't even want to look at you. So, you know, if you don't have, if you don't get to have any sex, what gives you the right to talk about it?
Oh! Ang sabi ko sa'yo,
Oh,
Tagalog ka. Dahil ako'y Pilipino ako, hindi
You know?
ako foreigner na hilaw.
Oh, please, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Stop defending yourself. You're here to be on the attack, right? So, allow me to attack you as well.
Hindi ng Tagalog.
Okay?
Hindi ako nakakatawa.
Oh, please.
Tagalog, please.
Who cares? Why? Why bother with you with this Tagalog? Okay? Ayan.
Ayun, naputol na po yung usapan namin. Natatawa ako. Hindi ko pa siya tinetext totally. Accident na tumawag agad ako. Try nga natin tawagan niya uli ang matandang muhang. Doon sa isang number niya, I try to call. Kasi binalak niya na ako ngayon dito sa isang phone niya. Na-block niya na ako. May text lang tayo. Kasi meron pa akong pinapakuhang ibang number. Dali lang po, ha? Wala na, naka-block na tayo. Na-block na po ako. Ngayon, tatawagan niyo po siya, ha? Ito po ang kanyang personal number. 0917-898-1957. Uulitin ko po ng dahan-dahan. 0917-898-1957. Ayun po ang cell number ni Leia Navarro Laulao Suso Losiak English Pamor. Sorry, hindi tayo kasi marunong mag-English eh. Pilipino kasi ako eh. Pinanganak akong Pilipino, mamamatay ako sa sarili kong bayan. Magandang gabi, mga ka-DDS. Yan ang bago natin na namura na isa sa mga solid loyalista ng mga Dilawan. Ikalat niyo po ang number niya, mga ka-DDS. Magandang gabi po sa lahat.